Healthcare providers these days have many different certifications over many different platforms that they have to complete these requirements for. Our platform brings it all together in one place, managing all of the timelines and offering those healthcare providers the right education at the right place at the right time.
Mocingbird is a community. It's a platform that people join who work in the healthcare force, and it is used to improve one's life, one's ability to take care of patients, and one's ability to educate themselves so that they can keep performing their calling.
What I think that we bring to this platform as having two physicians starting this company and starting this platform is that we recognize the problem from the inside out. And we've developed a platform that's through the lens, through the eyes of a healthcare provider.
Mocingbird takes a career burden and brings it down to about 20 minutes. For 20 minutes, you need to gather all your certifications, all your current continuing medical education, and you need to literally just place it, drop it into the program. From there, we take care of everything else.